Hey beautypreneurs, I'm Candice, your rental income doctor and favorite business funding strategist. So a year ago, I started doing business funding because I had a lot of clients come to me about their rental properties, about purchasing properties for their businesses, and they didn't have their funding set up to where they could only do it from their business. They had to pull from their own personal resources and use their social security number. But as a real entrepreneur, you don't need to do that.
Hey guys, Merlene here, business strategist and your beauty biz bestie. And back when I had my beauty salon and spa, I didn't realize I was setting up the systems in my business to secure myself for funding. And then I applied and I got approved, not knowing everything that I foundationally set up was preparing my business for success. And this is why we are hosting the Beauty Funding Lab
on February 3rd at Total Wine and More Millenia.
And don't worry, it will be for free and there will be wine tasting.